All right, guys, as you can see from the last apartment, it was amazing. And now we're gonna go to another apartment and hopefully that's amazing as well. Hold on, focus now, get on me, focus on me. But anyways, so we're about to go in, so I'll see you guys inside in a minute. Hope you enjoy.
We have our business center right over here. So in the business center, we do have the computer, but otherwise there is free Wi-Fi in here, so you can actually bring your own devices in, connect to the Wi-Fi in here or in the fitness center. And so if you wanted to do work from in here, or if you just wanted to come and relax. And the theater room is first come, first serve, but otherwise you can reserve it if you wanted to. So if you ever wanted to do like a movie night or anything, you just let us know. We do already have downloaded on here Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime, but you just have to bring your own logins in order to log into them. Or you can even screen your stuff from your phone. Billiards table in here. Yet again, everything is first come, first serve, so if it's open, you can utilize it.
Okay.
And then our coffee machine over here, which is, we've got hot coffee and iced coffee.
Nice.
We'll check out the fitness center once we get back. So the pool is seasonal, so it's open from Memorial Day to Labor Day, but it's a beautiful saltwater pool.
Oh, nice saltwater.
Yeah.
Okay.
It even has the area where you can just walk into the water. You don't have to worry about jumping in or climbing down any stairs. You can just sit in there without having to fully submerge. The playground is open year round, and yet again, first come, first serve, along with the grilling areas.
Okay.
We do have the showers out here too, so that way after you're done bathing, just rinse right off. The nice thing about the salt water is much better on your hair and skin.
Yeah.
Not have an elevator.
Okay. This is cute.
So this one's our Waterford floor plan. It's one of the smallest layouts, like I said before, but it's actually one of my favorites because you have this nice big dining area in it. So it's just got the perfect little open space right here where you have this great kind of like feng shui between the kitchen, the dining area, and the living space. So that way, especially if you're big on entertaining, you could be in the kitchen and still be talking to people while you're in the living room. You can still see the people if they're out on the balcony. And there's actually additional storage out on the balcony as well. So there's actually like a full storage closet out there where if you have any extra like knickknacks or things that you want to store but you like don't want to get rid of them, throw them right here.
Nice. Okay, good size. So I don't have to go to Life Storage and get all the storage space that I already have.
We don't have the pre-mounting systems, but if you wanted to mount your TV, you actually can.
Okay.
We do require that you have an electrician. All of the apartments come with the granite countertops.
I like
the beautiful double beefs. You've got the brushed-over hardware with the retractable spray nozzle, and it does have all appliances, and it's all stainless steel appliances. The only difference may be with the refrigerator. Most of the apartments have this one right here, but then there are some that have it so that the top part is the fridge, and then they have the French door for the freezer at the bottom. Okay. And that would be the only difference. Okay. But you do have the microwave mounted, beautiful glass top stove. So it's all nice, brand new appliances that we just opened up a year ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
We just had our 1-year anniversary last month on the 1st.
Oh.
Now on the first floors, you'll always have this hardwood plank all throughout the living area and the kitchen and everything. The only difference will be on the second floor or above, you may have carpet in the living room instead. So that's the only difference.
I like that rug is huge.
Oh yeah, you can always just do a nice big beautiful area rug. Now this would be your guest bedroom.
Okay.
So you can comfortably fit up to a queen size bed in here. This one's a full, but a queen size bed would be the most comfortable. You technically could fit a king, but it would take up a lot of the space. You wouldn't be able to fit side tables in here, and it would block a little bit of the doorway for you. But you can still do it.
Right.
King size beds is they're really not any longer. They're just wider.
Right. Okay. Yeah, this is a good size. I like this one too.
You do have the Jack and Jill doors to the guest bathroom, so that way you can get in from the bedroom or from the living area. The guest bathrooms will normally have the shower tub combos, whereas the master bathrooms will have the walk-in showers in them.
Okay, so the master has the walk-in.
Yes.
Okay. So I like that.
You said it was just going to be you, right?
It's just me.
So you're going to use this as like an office guest bedroom.
Right. Because I am starting my own business next year.
So this is your master suite. You could definitely fit a king size bed in here. You can actually technically fit an Alaskan king. Amelia, the leasing agent, is bananas. For some reason, she had an Alaskan king size bed, and she measured the entire apartment to see if her furniture would fit in here, and it would.
Oh wow!
So you can fit a king size bed in here with no problem, and you could still fit like your dresser. You could do a little chair over there if you wanted to, because it'll fit either on this wall or that wall, or you can even do it over here if you wanted to. So there's a lot of space to work with.
Yeah. I like
Since
it.
they put the
I like this little
closets,
hallway.
yeah, it makes it feel more like a master suite instead of like a master bedroom. Since you have the closets out here, you have more optimal wall space in here. You're not like losing wall space to closet doors. For the closets, they are the same size. You have two. So if you wanted to, you can have one that's like your work wardrobe and one that's like your casual wardrobe, or you could do like summer and winter.
I like that.
Kind of do that. Technically, you'll have the guest bedroom too for extra closet space.
Tons of space.
They are both the same exact size.
Okay.
And then the bathroom. For this floor plan, you do have the double vanity.
This is nice.
So you have the double vanity, plenty of storage space underneath, and then that walk-in shower that I was telling you about.
Ooh.
And it's got a seat those days that are a little extra rough.
You look like I can barely stand up. I'm still
like,
tired.
I'm so tired. I don't want to do anything right now. Well, you got a seat.
This is nice.
And there's actually a linen closet in here too, so you have more storage.
Exactly. I like that. So I don't have to put my towels in my closet.
Yeah, all that closet space is for your clothes.
Yes. I like this. It's nice.
Oh, washer and dryer.
Okay.
Really pass this up.
That's nice.
So one of my favorite things about this property is they actually put in a full-size side-by-side washer and dryer. A lot of brand new properties, they've been doing the stackables in them, which
don't like it.
I mean, I don't hate it, but it's not my favorite.
It's not that
Best
big.
part, though, you don't have an agitator in here. So that whole like center tower thing that's normally in here is gone. So you have even more room for your bigger, bulkier items.
Oh, okay.
So you can actually fit like your comforter in the
Right.
washer.
And not worried about, will the metal even get washed?
Nope, you got this, and it's efficient too as far as water. It doesn't fill up as high. It's got a stronger suction at the bottom, so it like rotates it around. So it's pretty cool.
That's nice. I guess I need to sell my old one.
Well, extra money to buy cool stuff for your apartment.
Yeah.
And then more storage space, coat and shoe closet.
More. Oh wow. Okay. So plenty of closets.
Yes.
I like that.
So like I said, this is the Waterford. This one is 1,055 square feet. I'm actually going to show you right across the hall, our lawn floor plan, which is our largest layout. That's 1,126 square feet, if I'm remembering correctly.
Okay.
I've been here.
Ooh, I like this one too. I like the island
Yes.
that you can actually sit at.
Yes. This one has a little bit more of an open floor plan. So there are actually variations of this layout where it doesn't have this dining space, and instead the mudroom will be all the way up here, and this will just be a hallway.
Okay.
Well, if you do come in, you do have a coat and shoe closet right here, which is even bigger, so you'd have even more room for storage.
Okay.
And then on top of that, you have that mudroom over there.
Right.
So you can use this for some stuff, and then if you wanted to, you could put your like cuter jackets and shoes over here in the little nooks and stuff.
I like that.
Now you do have a much larger kitchen area, lots more countertop space, especially with that breakfast bar.
Yes.
You can fit up to 3 bar stools over there comfortably.
Okay.
And then instead of having the laundry closet, you have the full-on laundry room, which gives you even more room for storage.
That's nice. You can actually put stuff in here, close the door, and leave it over
like
there.
a freestanding rack or something to put in there. You've got the whole big shelf, so that way you can use it for additional storage. You can put your camper in there.
Yeah, plenty of space.
Yeah. You have even bigger living area, so this one's really good if you have bigger, bulkier furniture. Yet again, very entertaining floor plan. You can kind of see straight through to the patio as well, so that way if you ever have anyone, yet again, use out on the patio, you can talk to them from the kitchen.
Yeah, I have like a L sectional, so yeah, this will fit.
You just like if you have like an L-shaped sofa, I'd probably put it against this wall if you're able to, depending on which way the flip-flops. Because that way you can still use the sliding glass door, and you can cover the whole like, that half of the door, and it's fine. You know, it doesn't obstruct you getting in or out because it's not like a French door or anything. So your master bedroom is actually, as soon as you walk in, your guest bedroom is over on this side, but the whole thing is the guest bedroom kind of feels like its own little suite because the bathroom is right there by the bedroom. You don't have to technically go out into the hallway to get to it.
Okay.
But it's not like the other one where it has the Jack and Jill door.
Okay.
So you've got this for the bathroom, for the guest bathroom.
So this is the guest area. Okay. The tub again in this one.
Yes.
Okay.
That beautiful big tub with the garden style curtain rod, so it makes the tub feel even larger. That's one thing I love that a lot of apartments do nowadays, is the garden style curtain rod. You also have all these cute little brushed nickel hardware features in here. So you've got like the towel ring, the towel hook, the towel bar. So you have plenty of room for all your towels and stuff, so you could decorate it all cute.
Yeah. Ooh.
Your guest bedroom closet's a huge walk-in closet, so lots of room for storage again.
I like
so this would be a perfect little office for you. And then your guest bedroom itself, you can put a queen size bed in here.
It's pretty big. Like this. Good size. This would be a nice big office.
Yeah. Again, for the master bedroom, you do have the double closets. This one, if you look, it kind of like goes all the way through. So it's like a long closet, but with 2 separate doors.
Okay.
You don't have as much hall space in this one as you did in the other one, so you can still fit like a tall dresser right here as long as it's not as deep. And then you don't have the double vanity in this one, and you don't have the seat in the shower.
Oh, okay.
But it is still a nice big bathroom.
Yeah, it's still big. Kind of like the double sink, but it's just
the double sink is really nice.
I don't need 2 sinks, so.
Like I said, that one's actually, like, even though it's smaller, that one's technically my favorite layout.
Yeah, I like it.
It depends on what you need personally. So if you really like more bathroom space, and if you really like more like storage space, technically, I think that part of works. This one has a lot of storage, but that one definitely I feel has more.
Yeah, I like this. It's good.
Yeah, this one was the Armand. And like I said, we have other floor plans that are pretty similar to this one, but are smaller. They're actually 1,093 square feet, but you're basically like losing this dining area, and that's it.
Okay.
So if the dining space isn't big for you, especially considering you have the breakfast bar, you can save some money and do that.
Right. Okay. I definitely love the island, so whatever one I get, I definitely would like that.
All right, so we're gonna knock out that floor plan.
Yeah.
You don't want that one then because it doesn't have the island.
Right.
You don't want the smallest one. So you probably want one of the ones that's like the 1,093 square feet and up.
Okay.
And we have another one that's like this that has a detached garage too, which is pretty cool. Alright, the last thing is the fitness center.
It's nice and warm.
Yes, I love that fireplace. But can I tell you, the first day we turned it on, the gas smelled so strong. I was like,
oh yeah.
But now since we've had it on every day, it's been good. Alright, and like I said, the fitness center is open 24 hours a day. So you can come in here anytime that you like. We even have free weights in here, which is amazing because a lot of communities do not.
Yeah.
And something else I really like is these actually have interactive programs on them, so you can follow along and like go along trails and things like that. If you want to follow the goat up a mountain, you can. It's really nifty, and it even makes it like harder as you're going uphill and easier as you're going downhill, so it makes it a better experience as far as working out. It's not as boring.
Right.
That is everything.
Okay. Well, as you guys can see, I just viewed all the apartments and they were so amazing. And yeah, guys, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys on the next one, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Oh, comment which apartment you like the best. Yeah, so thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.